I'm a sneaky little boy. Misa, shh, shh. Don't tell Jake. Misa took the camera.
Where'd you get that?
The refrigerator.
Get back here! Get back here! I got a banana!
No, I hate bananas. Run!
Putting on my armor.
So screwed.
Fuck.
Fucking A. Move, Jack! Sorry.
Hey! Calm the frick down!
Ow, ow, motherfucker.
Give me back! Give me back the camera!
Help me. Oh, shit. He's ready.
Don't watch!
Yeah.
People!
Oh, the please don't hurt me.
Come on the camera!
My God. No. Oh, the pretty pool. Crap! He locked me outside. Okay. Now, I have to strategize. Wait. He doesn't even know. Oh shit. Where'd he go? Ah! Fuck! Okay. Everything. Oh my God! Okay. Okay. It's okay. Okay. I'm not going down there. Okay. 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 Let me just. Okay. Okay. We should be pretty safe here. Okay? Nobody panic. At the pool. But obviously, well, it's still early spring, so I'm stuck.
Stuck?
Yeah,
How did you even get over?
exactly.
Did you climb?
Uh-huh.
When you climb back over, you put your foot in this and you go like that.
Well, I'm so scared because they're gonna hurt me.
I won't hurt you.
I'm not giving you the camera.
I won't stop it. I promise I won't stop it.
Evasive maneuvers.
I'm going to do that. You can sit in there and go like, woohoo! I'll give you a home so you can get out.
It's okay, people. Hey, ready? Sorry about that mishap.
Jack bit him in the wiener.
Oh. Bye, everybody.